Hi guys, my name is Claudia. I am a preschool instructor at Roosevelt Community Center, and I will be doing the lava lamp experiment today. So let's get started. For this experiment, we will be using anti-acid tablets, food coloring of any color, a vase with water, it could be a water bottle or a cup, anything transparent, and oil, any oil. What you first need is the water inside of your container, and then you pour a generous amount of oil inside of your container. After that, you would put the food coloring inside, any color. And then you want to put your anti-acid tablets inside. It could be one or two, your choice. As you can see, following these steps, you can make your very own lava lamp. It's easy, fun, and safe. Alright guys, thank you for watching this experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you watch our upcoming videos on our virtual recreation center. See you next time.